Hello everyone and welcome to Center for Future Technology. Now we will discuss naive Bayes classifier algorithm. Introduction. Naive Bayes algorithm. Naive Bayes algorithm is a simple machine learning algorithm for classification problem. Naive Bayes, using this algorithm, we will be handling the probability distribution of the variable within the data set and predicting the probability of the response variable belonging to a specific value given the attributes of a replacement instance. Bayes' theorem, the probability that price of a home is high are often better assessed if we all know the facilities around it compared to the assessment made without the knowledge of location of the house. Bayes' theorem, here the condition probability that event A occurs given that B has occurred, this is known as the Poster's probability. P of A and P of B, here probability of A and B without regret of each other. P of B of A, here the condition probability that event B occurs given that A has occurred. Conditional probability of response variable belonging to a particular value given the input attributes. This is known as the Poster's probability. The prior probability of the response variable. The probability of training data or the evidence. Naive Bayes algorithm, the complexity of the above Bayesian classifier must be reduced for it to be practical. The Bayes naive algorithm does that by making an assumption of conditional independence over the training dataset. This drastically reduces the complexity of above mentioned problem to only 2n. Naive Bayes algorithm, the assumption of condition independent state that given random variable x, y and z. We are saying x is conditionally independent of y given z if and as long as the probability distribution governing x is independent of the worth of y given z. Maximizing a posteriors that we have an interest in is finding the posteriors probability or P y of x. Now, for multiple values of y, we will got to calculate this expression by giving to them this expression for every of them. So, how will we predict the category of the response variable? Supported the various values we attain for P y of x. Features distribution. We need to estimate the distribution of the response variable from training set or assume uniform distribution. To estimate the parameters of a features distribution, one must assume a distribution or generate non-parametric models. for the features from the training set.